Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn and Explore. Earlier we uploaded a video on YouTube regarding data processing of DGPS data through TBC software and course network. I told you that we are looking towards QGIS, that is GIS software, which is very useful for survey beginners and advanced surveying. We use QGIS. Okay, and also QGIS is a open source GIS platform which is very helpful. I already uploaded a video that how to install QGIS. You can check this out, description link is given. So today I have chosen a topic from QGIS that sometimes we need to create a polygon or of a project site or any project relevant. We need to make a polygon and we need to export its coordinates. In a polygon there are number of vertices are available, like you can create a polygon with 10 vertices or 20 vertices or more than 20 or 25, anything. So main focus of this video is to extract the vertices of the polygon. So I opened QGIS and I am using QGIS version 3.3 maybe. So here I will open Google Map satellite on background, and I also uploaded a video regarding how to overlay Google image or any satellite image on QGIS layer. So I already uploaded a video regarding this too. You can check this out. I will just add Google Hybrid so that we can create a polygon here and we can export it for further processing. So I am going to a location and will draw a polygon. Okay, then I will export its vertices data. I will export its coordinates in two format. One is lat long format and other one is east northing format in UTM coordinate system. So for example, I'll select any random polygon here. Okay, like in this satellite image there is a pond and I will draw a polygon in this pond, and let's see. For this you can create a temporary layer. Here only you will get a option to create a temporary layer, that is new shapefile layer, or else temporary layer there is another option, new temporary scratch layer. Okay, you can also get that option from layer menu, create layer and new temporary scratch layer. Okay, there you can rename it. I'm just naming it as temp, and geometry type I'm giving polygon, and projection system for by default it will be WGS 84, that is WGS 1984, and that datum is based on WGS 84. So here I will just select as it is and OK. Now layer is, you can see in the left side in the layer panel a layer is created and I will add a polygon here. So to add polygon in this you have a feature like add polygon. Okay, so I will click on add polygon and digitizing toolbar will be activated, and you can like simply left click on it and you can add the polygon. So I am adding the polygon here. Like this I have added the polygon, and when you finish the drawing it's in the polygon, just right click on it and it will be completed. Okay, so here is a save button for this layer to save the polygon. So I just click on it. So now our focus is to extract the polygon's vertices. So just I'm changing its line so that a pond is visible. So here if you click on Vertex Tool here, it will show that you can see that number of vertices are available. Okay, I'm just changing it color to green. See, you can see the vertices. So I want to export each of the vertices, the coordinate of each of the vertices. Okay, so sometimes we need the coordinate in Excel format, or to draw this map, this polygon in AutoCAD or in any GIS software. Okay, normally you can export it from here also, like export as a KML format or shapefile format, but we need coordinate of each vertices. Okay, for this what you have to need? Simple, it is very simple. You have to go to the vector menu and go to geometry tools. There you will find extract vertices. So you have to just click on this. Okay, and the input layer will be your layer where your polygon exists. So I have selected the input layer and just run it, and it will create a temporary layer. So see, I'm closing this dialog box. See, the points have been created on each of the vertices. So now I can see that the vertices are there. Okay, so if we click on its attribute table, I'm just going to attribute table like this only. Right click on the layer and go to open attribute table. See, you can find that there is some index, vertex index 0 to 18. So now I need lat and long, or easting or northing. So I will do this right now. First I'm just giving a label here. In this labeling option, you can give label to the vertex points. So see, I just label it and giving a background option. I will make detailed video on how to style your shapefile layer and how to label the shapefile data. I will make several videos. See, the 0 and 18 is the same. So I'm just editing, toggle editing on, so that I can edit the data. So I'm just deleting the 0, I don't need it, and save. Okay, so now I have the point ID like 1 to 18. I got 18 vertices, which I will export it to lat long, what we need in Excel. Okay, so for this I'm going to open attribute table again, and I'm going to add another field. For this I have to activate the toggle editing by this and there is an option to make new field. Okay, also you can delete the field which you don't need. Here I just want to add a new field like latitude, and this latitude will be in decimal format, right? In decimal format. And precision, I will take precision as 6 for latitude. So okay, so another one attribute table has been generated, and I'm creating another field, that is longitude, and this will be same like up to 6 precision. I'm just deleting the fields which I don't need. Okay, so now we have lat and long. I have to fill that data. Very simple. You can click here and you will see the attributes values. So I'm going to latitude. Here in the function editor, you have to first of all we have to be clear that latitude means the y value and longitude means the x value, because in our earth axis x denotes longitude and y denotes the latitude. So in the latitude field, if we type $y and we just click on update all, then we will get the latitude values. Similarly, to extract the longitudes, select the longitude and in the function editor simply type $x and update all. So easily we get the latitude and longitude of each of the vertices for the polygon we created. Okay, so I will now just save it. Okay, so this has been done. Again I am going to attribute table. You can just simply Ctrl A, copy it, and in Excel you can paste it. See, I got the lat long values. Okay, I'm just deleting this one which I don't need. So it's very simple that we have exported each of the vertices lat long values. Now you may say that I want this in string ordering format, not in lat long format. So I have the remedies for this also. Okay, so for this simply just right click on it and go to export and save feature as. Here make a CSV file. I am selecting comma separated value, and here we will change the CRS as UTM 45 north, and in this case as per our data, as per my data, the zone value of UTM is 45 north. So I will select 45 north, and here a option is there. In the layer option you have to choose the geometry as XY. So if you set the geometry as XY for each of the vertices, you will get the easting and northing values. So let's see. I'm going to, okay, we will give a file name. I'm going to browse it and just giving a name here, that is temp data. Okay, save and click on OK. So it has been exported, and opening the file. See, for these vertices we already got lat and longitude, and this is the easting and northing values. This X means easting and this means northing. So clearly what you want is here. Okay, so that is for today, and we will come up with another video in QGIS in the next part. Also I will show you how to print the layout and how to show the lat long table in the map like this. You can make some map layout. Okay, then you can add map here. Okay, also you can add its that attribute tables here, so that to give a clear picture of your coordinates, vertex coordinates. I will make a detailed video in this regard. You can set the scale as per your requirement here by giving a scale value, and also you can add the attribute tables like this. We can add the attribute table also. Here is the attribute tables. You can see what we have exported, the lat long and the X and Y. Okay, if you don't want that X and Y, you can delete it too from its table and click OK. So you will see that for each of the vertices you have the lat long, or else you can just keep the vertex ID and easting northing in your data. You can export the map accordingly. I hope that this video will help you to extract and export the vertices of the polygon, and if you have any doubt, please let me know, and like, comment and share this video with your friends, with your GIS friends. Okay, see you in the next one. Thank you, thanks for watching.